Okay, so I just put some paper in the wood burner stove outside. Ended up moving this plate right here. Instead of down at the bottom, I got it right up underneath the smokestack where most of the heat is gathering against the side wall. And since it's 1/4 inch steel, once that gets hot, it stays hot for a long time. Actually, a lot longer than just relying upon the heat from underneath, which gets pretty hot in and of itself. But the pipe that's running to the house, I don't have any of it insulated yet, obviously, but the pipe that's running to the house gets quite hot. Once it reaches the bottom of the house under the crawl space, it's lost some heat, but it's still just barely touchable to the hand. My voice is going out, so it's hard to say anything. But yeah, other than that, it's working pretty good. Once the fire gets going pretty good, it gets hot. I got the little fan inlet on the house underneath the crawl space door, and I have it controlled right now temporarily from a plug I had to cut and run up through the cable hole in the floor, which is this right here. And this is switched on the wall, so as soon as I plug this in, the fan outside does not come on until I hit that switch. So right now I see it's smoking pretty good. I'm gonna go look at the fire and check the temperature of the pipe.